Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. Please remain seated, keeping your hands on inside the train at all times. Parents, please supervise your children, making sure they're in their seats and away from the train openings. Next stop, Tomorrowland. Also, be advised, this train in particular is on the last lap of the evening. We will be doing one more stop to each of the stations. Once we get back here to Mickey's Toontown, everyone will have to get off the train. Our other trains will continue to operate.
For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain.